friends from Australia. It's me, Eleni. Have you ever been on the back and you're trying to do a rear naked choke but it isn't working for you? Well, I'll give you another option you can do, the bow and arrow. But before I forget, I have my brother here. I'm back! First, make sure you have the hooks on the back. This arm will then go into the collar very deep. This hand will go like that, like you're rolling a motorcycle or revving it. You'll then lean to the side, kind of like a hip escape. This leg will go across the stomach. Then this arm right here will grab the pant leg. Now, defending the arm, you just put your leg over their shoulder and you spool. One more time. Go on the back. This arm goes, turns, kind of like a motorcycle. Leans to the side, kind of like a hip escape. This leg right there goes across the stomach. Then this hand right here grabs the pant leg. This leg will go over the shoulder, and they get the tap. Remember to give this video a big like and a subscribe.